How to disable text chatting in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can disable the text chatting in Fortnite. So to disable text chatting, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is click onto our profile picture at the top right corner. Now once you are done with this, click onto the settings gear icon at the top. Now from here, once you are in the Fortnite settings, you will need to click onto this option, that is the communication option. And from here, you can see the text chat. And under the text chat, you can disable this using this particular toggle. So as you can see, it is currently set to everyone. And from here, you can get all of the info. Like if it is set to everybody, you can text chat with everyone. If it is set to off, you can't text chat with anyone, and other settings as well, like friends only or friends, teammates, and connections as well. To disable it completely, simply click onto this right arrow once and you will set it to off. Having set this as off, you can click onto this apply button or simply press the A key. Now you are successfully done with this setting. If it again prompts you, you can click onto the save option and now your text chat has been disabled successfully. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.